Is your backup camera screen suddenly black or foggy right after a car wash or a heavy storm? You're probably wondering if water somehow got inside the camera. Yes, that's almost certainly what happened. A screen that fails right after getting wet is the #1 symptom of a breached weatherproof seal on the camera housing. Think about where that camera lives. On your trunk lid or tailgate, completely exposed to the elements day in and day out. Over many years, the constant baking from the sun's UV rays and the expansion and contraction from hot and cold weather cycles, what we call thermal cycling, takes a toll. The original factory seal, which is usually a rubber gasket or an epoxy bead, gets hard and brittle. Eventually, tiny, invisible cracks form around the edge of the lens. It's a lot like an old tire that's been left out in the sun too long and starts to show cracks in the sidewall. Then you go to a car wash. A high-pressure water jet, or even the powerful air from the drying blowers, hits that weak spot and forces moisture right past the compromised seal. The water lands directly on the internal printed circuit board and the sensitive CMOS image sensor. This moisture immediately shorts out the delicate low-voltage differential signaling video pins, which is what causes your head unit to show a black screen. If only a little bit of moisture gets in, it coats the inside of the lens with condensation, and that's what gives you that distorted, blurry picture. So, what can you do about it? First, let's cover what you absolutely should not do. You might be tempted to speed up the drying process with a hairdryer, but this is a very bad idea. The focused high heat can easily warp the camera's plastic housing, making the seal even worse. Even more damaging, it can quickly evaporate the water but leave behind all the mineral deposits, baking them directly onto the sensor's glass. Once that happens, the camera's clarity is permanently ruined, and there's no way to clean it off. The correct and safest first step is just to be patient. The proven field triage is to park your vehicle in direct sunlight for a full 24 to 48 hours. The camera housing is designed with very small breather vents that allow moisture to escape slowly over time. The gentle, consistent heat from the sun is all you need for the water to evaporate naturally through those vents without causing any secondary damage. This waiting period is the most important test you can perform, as it tells you if the electronics are salvageable. If the camera feed returns to normal after a day or two in the sun, that's both good news and bad news. The good news is the internal circuitry is probably okay. The bad news is that the seal has failed for good, and this will absolutely happen again after the next car wash or heavy rain. To fix this permanently, you must remove the camera module. This usually involves carefully taking off an interior trim panel on your trunk or tailgate. Once the camera is out, thoroughly clean the seam where the lens joins the plastic body. Use some isopropyl alcohol to get rid of any dirt or oil. Then, apply a thin, even bead of marine-grade, clear RTV silicone all the way around that seam. This creates a brand new, flexible, waterproof seal. Be very careful not to get any silicone on the lens itself. Let it cure completely, following the time on the tube, before you put it all back together. This single repair should keep it sealed for years to come. However, if the screen is still black after 48 hours of sitting in the sun, the situation is more serious. This means the moisture was inside for too long and has caused permanent damage from corrosion. The delicate video pins are fried, and the circuit board cannot be repaired. At this point, trying to seal the old camera is a complete waste of your time, because the electronics inside are already destroyed. Your only option is a complete replacement of the camera module. So if your camera is on the fritz, check that seal before you risk another car wash.